In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 simple steps by which you can invest in Bitcoin. Over the past few years, Bitcoin has significantly gone up in price, and there has been a lot of discussions about Bitcoin being the new global money that everybody is adopting. That is why it is important that I explain to you, as a newbie in the cryptocurrency industry, how you can invest in Bitcoin easily in 5 steps. Hi guys, I'm Arab the Plug and you're welcome back to my channel. I'll be talking about why do you have to invest in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is actually one of the biggest investments in the world, and in the last 20 years, even though Bitcoin started in 2009, in the last 20 years, Bitcoin has outperformed gold, Nasdaq, and every other asset in the stock market that people invest in all combined. Invest $100 in Bitcoin in 2013, it would be worth more than $250,000 as at today, 2024. Bitcoin has been the only investment that could give you the highest ROI in a short period of time. Even though Bitcoin is volatile and you can lose money to Bitcoin, but you can make much more if you understand how it works and if you learn how to analyze it, knowing when to buy it, when to take profit, when to sell, and when to wait for it to just do its thing. So Bitcoin is one of the biggest investments you can do in the world, and it is assured that it's going to make you money if you can be patient and hold on to it over time. Aside from Bitcoin making you a lot of money as an investor, Bitcoin has actually brought about a platform, a currency that has changed the world and brought about a new revolution of currencies or of economy to the world, which is cryptocurrency. Bitcoin came about in 2009 when it was launched by Satoshi Nakamoto, who is actually an anonymous person till date. Satoshi Nakamoto brought about Bitcoin, and after the success of Bitcoin, after people started getting into the cryptocurrency market, into Bitcoin, people started bringing about other coins called altcoins, which are alternatives to Bitcoin. Even though initially Satoshi launched Bitcoin because he was looking for a way to create a payment gateway that would allow people to send money through peer-to-peer platform to any place in the world, transactions that will be delivered in few minutes without the intermediary of bank or any other organization. That was actually why he created Bitcoin. And this gave birth to an economic evolution or revolution that has taken over the world, and that has brought about more than 25,000 different coins and tokens in the cryptocurrency market. So Bitcoin is actually just one out of all these thousands of coins and tokens that have not only made people a lot of money in the crypto market, but has also been a threat to the traditional system of banking. So Bitcoin is something that brought about a revolution that everybody that wants to make money in today's world should look into. Let's talk about how much do you invest in Bitcoin. The amount of money people invest in Bitcoin or any other assets actually varies depending on how much money you make and depending on how much your income is. But then, because of the nature of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency assets, because of the volatility of Bitcoin, I would advise that you only invest the amount of money you can afford to lose. When we talk of investments, not only in the crypto market, even in the stock market, in real estate, investments are not guaranteed. There is no 100% guarantee that you are going to make money off any investment in the world. But there is a guarantee that if you are patient enough, the stock market is eventually going to go up. The crypto market bull run is eventually going to come and stuff like that. So you have to be patient to be able to make money from the crypto market. But you can't make all the money, and you have to invest according to how much you make. So that's why I usually advise people to start investing or trading Bitcoin with at least $100. Because no matter how much you have to learn as you invest, and you have to learn by investing. So if you have a lot of money, start small. Start with $100. See how it grows. See the tests the market give you, see the lessons you learn from the ups and downs of the market, and learn from it. And also, once you see that you have been getting used to the market and you have enough money to invest, make sure you only invest a portion of your income that you can afford to lose, and make sure you only invest a portion of your income that if eventually something happens, you will still be able to live well. Because you don't want to invest in crypto or anything and at the end of the day something bad happens and you cannot get on your feet. You lose your home, you lose your business and all of that thing. You don't want to borrow money to invest in the cryptocurrency market. You don't want to use something, it's a particular amount of money that you know you would be in need of it in the shortest period of time. Let's, for example, you are a student and you have to pay your school fee and you'll be like, okay, let me just invest this amount in crypto. No, you invest what you can spare, and you start from a small amount of money, reasonably like $100, and you grow as time goes on. So when do you invest is the next question. You invest in the cryptocurrency market when the fear is high. On this YouTube channel, I talk about the bull and the bear market in one of my videos. I'll put the link somewhere around this video in the description below. Make sure you watch that. You should invest when the fear is high, when the price is declining, when people are afraid to invest, so that you can reap and you can make a lot of money when people are greedy, and when people want to rush into investing in Bitcoin. So invest when the price is low, so that you can cash out when the price rises and goes up. So that is when you should be investing in Bitcoin. You should be investing when there is a correction in price. When the price swings up, you'll be rest assured that it's going to swing down a little bit. When it swings down, that is what we call a pullback in technical analysis. That is when you should be buying Bitcoin, not when the price is at the top. In 2021, something happened. A lot of people invested in Bitcoin in 2021 when Bitcoin reached $60,000. And 2021, Bitcoin reached an all-time high price of $68,700 approximately. So some people started investing when Bitcoin reached about $60,000, and they were with the hope that okay, Bitcoin will go to $100,000, it's going to go to $100,000, and eventually Bitcoin started declining in price when the bear market started, and they lost a lot of money. Some people lost their homes, some people lost their business and stuff like that. I don't want you to be this person. So invest in Bitcoin when the price is low, and cash out your investment or withdraw investment when the price is high. What do you need to invest in Bitcoin? You need majorly 3 things to invest in Bitcoin. You need a personal identification document so that you'll be able to register with a broker or an exchange before you can buy. You buy on exchanges and you hold and keep your Bitcoin in Bitcoin wallet. Bitcoin wallet is more of like a secure place where you keep your Bitcoin. And exchange is like a place where buying and selling transactions happen. So you need a personal identification information or document to be able to register on a wallet. You need a bank account information because you're actually going to move your fiat money, your naira if you're in Nigeria, your cedis if you're in Ghana, your shillings if you're in Kenya, your dollars if you're in the United States, your pounds if you're in the UK, euro if you're in Europe, and no matter where you are, it doesn't matter. You need your bank account or your fiat currency or a place where you can move your fiat currency into crypto, and you need an internet connection because Bitcoin is a currency that is spent on the internet. So now, having gotten all these things, how do you invest? The first thing you do is that you get a Bitcoin exchange. My recommended exchange is Binance and Bybit. Those are the 2 exchanges I use in my day-to-day trading activities. And even though this is not a sponsored video from Binance or Bybit, but then you can always use these exchanges because I've been using them for a very long time and they have stood the test of time. Even though you should not keep all your money in an exchange because exchanges are majorly for buying and selling. They are majorly for executing trade. You're actually going to keep your profits in a wallet. So the first step is get an exchange. You can sign up with Binance or Bybit with the link that I have put in the description below. So you can use any of my links to sign up. Note that this is not a paid advertisement, but I might get a commission when you sign up with the link. So you can just use the link if you don't mind to sign up to any of these exchanges and sign up to an exchange. So after signing up, get a Bitcoin wallet. Like I said earlier on, exchange is where you buy and sell. Wallet is where you keep. You don't keep your money in exchanges. Look at what happened to FTX in 2023. FTX is one of the most popular exchanges in the cryptocurrency market. The FTX collapsed and people lost millions of dollars from the collapse of this exchange. An exchange can be hacked, but your wallet, if it's a hardware wallet especially, where you have your private keys, can never be hacked. Even the software wallets can be hacked, but if you have a hardware wallet, that's why I advise that if you have, once you know you have a lot of money in crypto, get a hardware wallet. So the second step is getting a wallet. The third step is connect your wallet or exchange to a bank account. So from your bank account, you move money to your exchange and the money will be converted into cryptocurrency. The fourth step is place a Bitcoin buy order. We are talking about Bitcoin in this video. Place a buy order for Bitcoin. Once you place a buy order, you have Bitcoin in your wallet. And then the last step, the fifth step, is manage your Bitcoin investment. Bitcoin investment is something you hold on to for a long time to get a reasonable reward for investment or return for investment. So once you have return for investment, you have made something reasonable. And how do you actually make money from Bitcoin? By selling your profit. Some people got stuck. They got too excited when you see a lot of profit from their wallet. I've made $50,000. I've made $20,000, and they forget that they only have made profits after they have sold. So once you make profit, make sure you sell. These are the 5 steps by which you can buy or invest in Bitcoin. And once you're able to do it, then you start making money from the cryptocurrency market. If you got value from this video, ensure you hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.